Getting fuller, thicker lashes is easier than ever with a whole range of eyelash-enhancing products hitting the market in recent years. There's lots of them.
Yeah, there are, but I guess the question really is, do they work and what risks might you run into? So, our consumer correspondent Janice Lieberman decided to see if there's more than meets the eye with these things.
Got it, okay. Well, the enhancers say they're easy to use, but it takes a real investment of money and time to see the results. So we put a few of the most popular products to the test.
Grow lashes.
Grow? How's that possible? I'm using Latisse.
Brooke Shields says it works, but does it? Latisse is the only prescription product on the market, and it comes with a hefty price tag. $120 a month. Our volunteer Shane was optimistic.
I'm hoping for the results that they speak about, that it will be dark and thick and long.
Just like applying a liquid eyeliner.
Perfect.
Our second volunteer, Janet, is testing New Lash. $150 buys you a 3-month supply at high-end department stores or online.
See you in a few weeks. I'll let you know how gorgeous I look.
Our third guinea pig, me. I'll be trying Rapid Lash, which can be found in drugstores at $50 for a 1 to 2 month supply. We all had before photos taken with a retinal camera and started using the products nightly. But before we tell you what we saw, just how do these things work? Latisse is a drug available by prescription only that contains bimatoprost, which is also found in glaucoma medication. It's thought to increase the length of the lash growth cycle, but does have some potential side effects.
You can have itching, dryness, redness. You can have darkening of pigment around the eye, which is reversible, and you can also have little brown spots, that pigment spots in the color part of your eye, which is the iris, which may not be reversible.
New Lash and Rapid Lash say theirs work by conditioning the lashes to make them appear longer and thicker. But seeing is believing, right? We sat down to compare notes and gaze into each other's eyes. Here are the photos of our Latisse users' lashes, which got so long they started to curl up. After 4 months, Shane was ecstatic.
Did anybody notice any change?
By the end of the second month, everybody. Oh my God, what mascara are you using? Incredible, incredible.
And here's our New Lash users before and after 2 months of use.
They're definitely much longer, fuller, lusher. I even used it on my eyebrows, and it definitely helped to enhance my eyebrows.
Finally, my lashes after 1 month of using Rapid Lash.
They're a little fuller, but I don't see the length changing or really anything all that dramatic. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate your product?
I rate my product an 8 because nobody gets a 10.
Oh, mine gets a 10.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
I'm giving mine a 5.
Where'd you get those eyes?
Well, obviously the results vary from person to person. It didn't work great for me, but the company did say I should have given it more time. And Sarah, you had great results with it.
Talk about that.
I had a terrible incident where a makeup artist used some different products. Can you see my lashes? Well, all of my lashes, after she trimmed my lashes, they crumbled off, and I used Rapid Lash for about 6 weeks, and they grew back. I don't think they're quite where they used to be, but they did grow back, which was amazing to me because we were talking before about people that, you know, have cancer patients, people that don't have any other lashes. It's an amazing product that really did work for me, and I didn't have any side effects.
We need to introduce Dr. Gervaise Gerstner,
Yes.
who is here with us.
Hey, thanks for having me.
So there are some side effects from using this. We had a producer in our office that had some hair that grew on the side of her face.
It dripped down.
There are very minimal side effects with Latisse. Mostly it's be a little irritation on the upper eyelid. That's less than 1%. And again, if you use too much of it, you could grow hair on your cheek. And again, that would be if you use 4 drops, and you're supposed to use 1 little baby drop on the brush. So basically, you just put up 1 little drop on the brush, and you paint it gently on your upper eyelash.
So
once a day.
Once a day at night.
Yeah, the problem then is the application, but it really does work. How did this kind of began? Oh, look, she's just okay. This kind of began with really a product for glaucoma.
Exactly. In 2001, it was developed as a drug for glaucoma. So it's been really FDA approved for 10 years now, and they found that the glaucoma patients grew longer lashes.
So what are the side effects, though? You know, some people are having if they have blue eyes, they turn to brown. And
that was only in the case when they were dropping the actual drop into the eye. Never, zero cases with Latisse.
But I have to say, this is an expensive habit.
Yeah, I was just about to say, we've got there's a ton of these little...
There's 8 weeks worth of the lash.
Okay, and what does this cost?
About between $100 and $120.
So, and you have to be very good about it. Every night you've got to put it on your eye, right?
Exactly. So at night, you'll put one drop, just one baby drop on the lash, and you'll, right where the lash meets the eyelid, you'll put a layer on. And you'll take this and you'll chuck it. You try not to get in your eye. If it gets in your eye, it's safe because that's what the drug was intended to do.
Okay, do you have them on right now?
I don't. I have definitely used it because you use it for 8 weeks and then you take a couple months off. There's a normal cycle in the eyelash growth, so you only need to use it for 8 weeks, and then a couple months later you can use it again.
Okay, but with Janice, when we were talking about some of the other products, A, what was the cost, and B, why? I mean, it didn't work.
You know, the other ones are just basically over-the-counter conditioners for your eyes. There's nothing in those products that would make it grow.
So maybe it was
it's just like using cream rinse on your hair where the follicles are coated.
But sometimes things work with some people and they don't with others.
And how much? The Rapid Lash is about $50, right?
And you know, they say after you get your positive results, you can use it every other day, make it stretch. But it is an investment, you know, especially the Latisse.
Were you happy you tried it?
Sure, now I know, but Sarah's happier.
No patient ever complains about the price. They are so happy because with these longer lashes, they don't have to wear mascara. They can go to Soul Cycle without makeup on and look like glam. So they love it. They love it.
I really did feel like every day I had to do something with my lashes, and now I don't.
You know, there's a problem, though. This is prescription. Latisse is prescription. You have to prescribe it.
You need to get it from the doctor.
A lot of people are buying it online.
And that is dangerous.
Right. And so, I mean, and it's cheaper that way, but you really need to be careful.
You need to get it. You need to get instructions from your doctor. You need to get it dispensed. It needs to be allergan tested from the allergan company, and definitely need to get it from your doctor.
Why do you use false and not this though?
I use a little combination. You know, for the camera, I'll use a little extra.
You have to mix it up.
Exactly. I like the long mascara as well.
Okay, I'm not sure I'm ready yet, but I might be getting there. I wear contacts, and that concerns me too.
I do too. I wear contacts, and I hate it. By the end of the day of seeing patients, I have mascara running down my cheeks from putting eye drops in, and with the long lashes from Latisse, you don't need the mascara.
You don't need them. I am pro eyelash products. I'm thinking I might even try the Latisse now to see what happens.
Well, here you go.
Okay, thanks.
There you are.